one of the first ones that are really, really useful. The Art of Thinking Clearly by Rolf Dobelli. Highly recommended. Of course, I couldn't pass by this famous author, right? Gary Kasparov is now actually in advisory and consulting. You can say very similar to us. Deep thinking, a lot of very good ideas and thoughts from him. He is now consulting top of the town on decision making. All right, very early work going back to early 19th century, showing that there is not much changed in delusion and madness of crowds. Highly recommended. Just some ideas in there. And personal favorite of a rational person is The Demon Haunted World by Carl Sagan. I read it in one night.